comment, like, subscribe.
Have you ever seen cooked chicken in the dark? We have another power outage, and this is me here trying to finish cooking my stewed chicken with this light. Yes, no power in the house, guys. Wappa took the electricity again. This is Tuesday evening, and again we have no electricity, and I was in the middle of cooking, so now I have to finish with this light. Hopefully the power comes back very quickly, because I don't really like to cook in the dark. I just want to see what it looks like.